What's up, everybody? Today we're going to run through index match in 3 minutes or less. It's one of my favorite functions and definitely has its reasons for being used instead of VLOOKUP if you're trying to get into it. Alright, we've got our very basic income statement here. Let's say we need to find a couple items. We want to find the revenue, net income, profit margin. Great, we can do that. So we'll have this. We want to find the year for 2022. So instead of doing VLOOKUP, we'll go here. Index. What do we want to find? The value is somewhere within this data table, so the array we're looking for, somewhere in there. Just highlight it all. Hit F4, lock it down. That way it's not going to change when we move up or down here. Then we're going to type match. What do we want to find? Revenue. I want that revenue. Great. So we're going to hit that, comma, and where are we going to find revenue? We'll find it right here. Okay, and we're going to look for it right here, less than. We want an exact match, so we'll hit 0, comma, we'll hit enter. And then you see we get this. Sometimes you have to throw in a second parentheses to close it, but right here there's 3 matches. So we've got an issue with this, so all we do is change this. We're only looking up 2022. And there it is. And then you can copy that down. And remember, we just want to make sure this is adjusted. This is why we hit that F4 button. We'll just do it again right there. Enter. And then we can do this divided by that. And there we go. You got index match. And it's going to work pretty much similar to VLOOKUP. The one benefit, though, one of the biggest benefits, is in VLOOKUP, remember, if you would have, you would add a column, it would break the reference. Say we want to add another one here. We want to do 2021 by quarter. So we'll add this. Index match is going to stay solid. So you can add columns, and this gives you the flexibility to make your references a little bit more dynamic. And it'll basically keep things. It's really good with text lookups as well. It finds things a little easier than VLOOKUP. So I prefer it, but that's about it. If this has been helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this with whoever you think it might benefit. Till then, see you next time.